Have you ever had a huge dream, but zero motivation to get off the couch? You want success, but you also want to watch one more episode. You're not lazy. You're not just ambitious. You're both. And there's actually a psychology behind it. Lazy but ambitious people are everywhere. They dream of building empires while lying in bed at noon. They plan 10 businesses in their head and start 0. Scientists call this high aspiration, low activation. You want big things. You just resist the process to get there. Here's what's happening in your brain. Your brain has two systems, the dreamer and the doer. The dreamer loves the idea of success, the fame, money, freedom. It releases dopamine just from thinking about it. That's the problem. Your brain already feels rewarded, so why do the actual work? It's called mental simulation reward. Your brain tricks itself into feeling success before it arrives. There's also an identity conflict happening. Deep inside, you see yourself as destined for greatness. But your daily actions don't match that image. This gap creates anxiety, procrastination, and guilt. You delay starting because if you try and fail, the dream dies. But if you never try, the dream stays alive. Safe. Beautiful. Imaginary. Lazy ambitious people are often closet perfectionists. They don't start because they want conditions to be perfect. The right time. The right mood. The right plan. Newsflash, perfect conditions never come. The laziness is actually fear wearing a bathrobe. But here's something fascinating. These people don't work steadily, they work in explosions. 1 week of pure chaos and productivity. Then 2 weeks of total nothing. This is called hyperfocus and crash, common in high ambition. Low routine personalities. Some of history's greatest creators, Da Vinci, Einstein, Steve Jobs, had this exact pattern. So what does a lazy but ambitious person actually need? Not discipline. Not punishment. Not a motivational speech. They need systems. Break the big dream into tiny, stupid easy steps. Make starting so easy your lazy brain can't say no. 2 minutes. 1 sentence. 1 push-up. Momentum is the medicine. And here's the twist. Being lazy actually forces efficiency. Lazy ambitious people find shortcuts others miss. They automate, delegate, and innovate because they hate wasted effort. Some of the world's best entrepreneurs are strategically lazy. They work smart because working hard feels terrible. So if you're lazy and ambitious, you're not broken. You're just wired differently. Now stop watching videos and go build something. Just kidding. Watch one more. You deserve it.